her. Little ice pellets.
Eric, it's with rain, so it sleeps.
Okay. That would suck to be on a motorcycle. And I'm rolling the window. Yeah. We were.
There is busy.
Yeah. If that's a surprise. Culver's is busier a little, I guess. At least the car is getting clean.
If you're looking for an exciting new career, you need to get to APAC. Thursday, April 18th. The APAC Job Fair is happening this Wednesday from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. APAC is committed to provide employment opportunities to our U.S. service members and
Yeah, it's slates. Staying on the hood, so.
Unlimited bonus potential, competitive base rate of pay, second shift opportunities, and it's a casual work environment with SiriusXM live streaming. Text APAC Jobs to 424242 for more information. Or go to www.
God's throwing rock salt at us.
Hey, look, people, it's rock salt. I don't think so. I'm glad I brought my umbrella. I know, but still. I told Grandma, even though I'm wearing a hat, I really don't like getting wet, and we got this. So, I'm smart for doing so.
Find time to leave.
Yes, we did. To get rock salt. Can't believe you think that's rock salt.